Today's topic is division involving quotients with intermediate zeros with Maria and Allie. Okay, so we have 453 divided by 5. And when you are doing this, make sure you put this number right here when you're dividing, and you put this number right here. So let's get to working. So 5 goes into 4 0 times, so you want to write that right above the 4. So what's 0 times 5? It's 0. So you need to subtract 4 minus 0, which is 4. And then you drop the next number, which is 5. So how many times does 45 go into 5? It goes in 9 times. So you want to write it right above the 5. And then you do 9 times 5, right here, which is 45. So you want to subtract 45 minus 45, which is 0. Then you want to bring down this 3. How many times does 3 go into 5? Well, 3 goes into 5 0 times. So you need to write that right above the 3. And then 5 times 0 is 0. So you do 3 minus 0, which is 3. So that's your remainder. This is your answer. 90 remainder 3.
You should have solved 5,123 divided by 3 by first seeing how many times 3 can go into 5, which is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So then you need to subtract 5 minus 3, which is 2. Drop down the 1. And see how many times 3 can go into 21, which is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. So subtract 21 minus 21, which is 0. And bring down this 2. Just ignore that 0 and look at the 2. 3 can go into 2 0 times. So then put the 0 under the 2. Subtract 2 minus 0, which is 2. Bring down the 3. And see how many times 3 can go into 21, which is 7. And 7 times 3 is 21. So 23 minus 21 is 2. Since there's nothing else, there's no other numbers to bring down, this is your remainder. So your answer should have been 1,707 remainder 2.
To know how to divide quotients with intermediate zeros. The end.